Hello and welcome back to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Google Ad Engine code editor from light mode to dark mode. Mine is partially dark mode and light mode because I had already installed the extension for Google Ad Engine dark mode and the features had already been applied. So however, I uninstalled the application, but still I can see mine is partially dark mode, especially in the code editor itself. So here I think what you need to do is go to Google and type in Open Ad Engine extension. Here, as you can see, this one, it has some features. It is still a new extension to Google Chrome, but what you need to do is just click on add to Chrome, and then it will automatically add to your Chrome. You can see we have two images here which show how the features have been applied from the extension to your Google Ad Engine code editor. You can see we have the dark modes applied to the code editor as a whole. We have the overview down here. These are the features that come with the extension. So you'll have the night mode. You'll have to add cache for the Open Ad Engine library. You have the buttons. You will see everything just as your Google Ad Engine was before. So if I click on add extension, it will ask me if I would like to add the extension because it can read and change my data on a number of websites. So I click on add extension because I want to use it in my Google Ad Engine code editor. So if I come back to my Google Ad Engine and then refresh the code editor, so as it refreshes, you can see it says the Open Ad Engine extension has been added to Chrome. Manage your extension by clicking extensions in the tool menu. Okay, so if I refresh again, now you can see we have these two icons from the extension, and this one is the settings and this one is also from Google Ad Engine, but mostly we shall be using this one. So if you click on this, you can see it changes from light mode to dark mode. If I click again, my code editor changes to dark mode and everything is as it was before. So if I can type anything here like print hello world like this, then I can save, I can share the link for my code, then I can run, I can reset, have the applications. If I want to create a web application, I can do the same. I will still have the settings as just as they were. I can click on run the code because we want to see if the changes have been applied in the console too. So if I come to the console, I can see the output in dark mode. I can click on inspect and then just click on the map, then we can see everything just as it was before. If you have any tasks or you want to download any image after doing your analysis in Google Ad Engine, I think they will also appear here. Yeah, if you want to go back to your light mode, I think you need to just disable the extension or remove the extension from Google Chrome, and then you will have your light mode back. Otherwise, I normally use the one for the partial light mode and dark mode so that I can be able to see on the sidebar, but the code only has to change from light mode to dark mode. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will see you in the next one.